My dear students, today I am going to an important topics types of chemical reaction from the chapter of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. Understand, this is the topic of the chapter chemical reaction. From this chapter I am going to teach you a type of chemical reactions. My dear students, I will try my best to make you understand the concept of type of a chemical reaction. So my dear students, all of you be very quiet and sincere towards my teaching. Okay my dear students, before telling the types of chemical reactions, I will define first what is the chemical reactions. When one or more substance, means elements or compounds, undergoes chemical change with absorption and release of large energy, so that one or more new substances are formed. This is known as a chemical reaction. After understanding this, I will tell you about the types of chemical reactions. Understand. There are generally 4 types of chemical reactions. First, combination reaction, also known as a addition reaction, and it is also told as a synthesis reaction. Second, substitution reaction. Third, displacement reaction, and fourth, double displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, also known as a decomposition reaction. Double displacement reaction is also known as a double decomposition reaction. My dear students, today I am going to start first types of chemical reaction, that is a combination reaction. Here I am going to make you understand very well, so that you never forget in future what is the combination reactions. Now I start. Please pay attention towards my board. Combination reaction. Combination reaction. This is a one type of reaction, combination reaction. My dear students, I make to understand it very well by explanation. Combination reaction is a reaction in which 2 or more substances combine chemically and form one new product. This is known as a combination reaction. My dear student, all of you can understand by the examples which I am going to write on this board. Suppose there is a carbon, it is burnt in air. When carbon is burnt in air, it combines from oxygen of the air and forms carbon dioxide. only single product. So it will be the examples of combination reaction. Now I write the chemical equation of this combination reaction. Carbon burns in the air. It means carbon react with oxygen from air, O2. It forms carbon dioxide. My dear students, all of you pay attention and understand it very clearly. Here are two reactants and one product, that is a carbon dioxide. Two reactants means carbon and oxygen chemically react and form one new product, that is a carbon dioxide. So it is a combination reaction. As I told in my definition, when two or more substance or substances combine chemically and form one single product is called combination reaction. This reaction is from combination reaction. Now I am going to tell another combination reaction. That is a very simple reaction. Hydrogens burns in the air, it forms water. This is also combination reaction, in which you will notice that one substance hydrogen, another substance oxygen burns, chemically burns and forms one product, water. Just I write this on the board. Hydrogen is one substance which is found in the gaseous form. Another substance, that is oxygen, which is also found in the gaseous form. Both hydrogen and oxygens combine chemically on suitable conditions, they will form water, H2O. Understand? Hydrogen is in the state of gas, oxygen is also in the state of gas, and the product is in the state of liquid, that is a water. Here, as I told in my definition, two or more substances combine chemically and form one single product. You are noticing hydrogen and oxygen. These two substances combine chemically and forms single product, H2O. It means it comes under the definition of combination reactions. My dear students, understand it very well. In another examples, I am going to give you formation of ammonia gas, and that is a pungent smelling gas. Now I am going to tell you how ammonia is formed. In ammonia, nitrogen react with hydrogen, it forms ammonia, NH3. This is the ammonia. Here one substance hydrogen, another substance nitrogen, another substance hydrogen, chemically combined on provided conditions form ammonia, that is a gas. Two reactants, one product. In first also two reactants, one product. Second two reactants, one product. So when two reactants combine chemically form single product is called combination reaction or synthesis reactions or addition reaction. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood the combination reaction and the examples of combination reaction. My dear students, you know the balance chemical equation. This is already balanced, C plus O2, CO2. And balance equation, it means number of atom of each element on the reactant side should be exactly equal to the number of same atoms on the product side. So you can see here carbon 1 atom at the reactant side and carbon 1 atom is at the product side. Oxygen 2 atom at the reactant side and 2 atom at the product side. So this first reaction is already balanced. Here in second, 2 atom hydrogen left side and 2 atom hydrogen right side. Hydrogen is balanced, but oxygen 2 atom left side but 1 atom right side. It is not balanced. For balancing this, we will multiply the water molecules by 2. So in this way, 2 under 2, it means oxygen at the product side is 2 atom and hydrogen 2 to the 4. Hydrogen at the product side is 4 atom. Already here oxygen is balanced because 2 atom at product side and 2 atom at reactant side. But hydrogen here 2 to the 4, but reactant side is 2. So we will also multiply this hydrogen molecules by 2. Now hydrogen also becomes balanced. Understand? Hydrogen is also balanced. So this is also balanced. Another examples. Nitrogen left side 2 atom, right side 1 atom, not balanced. Hydrogen left side 2 atom, right side 3 atom, not balanced. So we will multiply ammonia molecules by 2. It makes 3 atoms hydrogen 3 to the 6 at right side, and we will multiply by 3 hydrogen molecules this side, 3 to the 6. Here also we got 6 atom of hydrogen at reactant side and product side also 6 atom I gets. Nitrogen at the reactant side is 2 atom and at the product side is also 2 atoms. In this way, nitrogen both sides are equals and hence complete equation is balanced. My dear students, all of you have understood, and I suppose all of you have understood this combination reaction. Now I am going to teach another types of chemical reaction, that is a substitution reaction. So my dear students, I will tell you substitution reactions. So I rub this and I make to understand another types of chemical reaction, that is a substitution reaction. Another type, substitution reaction. Okay, my dear students, just I am going to make you understand substitution reaction. So just come to the boards and try to understand it very well. Substitution reaction is a reaction in which an element, a more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. Okay, my dear student, all of you have understood the definition of substitution reaction. You will understand more from the examples. So, my dear student, again see the examples. Suppose zinc and element Zn. It reacts with copper sulfate, CuSO4. Here these are reactants. As in the definition I told, zinc is more reactive than copper. So zinc will displace the copper and it will form copper and zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. So my dear students, all of you have understood. Zinc being more reactive as metal activity series tells, and copper is less reactive than zinc. So zinc will displace this copper and zinc forms zinc sulfate and copper. This is the examples of substitution reactions. I'm going to another examples of substitution reaction. Sodium react with dilute HCl. It forms sodium chloride and hydrogen. Here Na react with HCl. It displaces hydrogen and forms sodium chloride, NaCl, and form hydrogen. This is also examples of substitution reactions. Understand? Another equation: calcium react with zinc sulfate. Calcium being more active than zinc, so it displaces zinc and take the place of zinc and form calcium sulfate, CaSO4. It displaces zinc because calcium more active than zinc, so it displaces zinc. It forms calcium sulfate. It means calcium take the place of zinc. It comes to the place of zinc, so forms CaSO4. It means calcium sulfate. And another product, zinc. So these three are the example of substitution reaction. Okay, my dear student. For balancing, all are the balance, but for seeing balancing the second, you are seeing one hydrogen, it displaces two hydrogen. Understand? And sodium one atom, chlorine one atom, is this side also chlorine one atom. So making this 2, we will multiply by 2 HCl. Understand? Hydrogen 2, this side hydrogen 2, chlorine 2 atom, here chlorine 1. So we will also multiply this sodium 2 with 2. So chlorine also 2, hydrogen 2 atom, and sodium this side 2 atom, left side also should be 2 atom. So we will multiply this sodium also 2. Now this is also balanced. This equation, zinc 1 atom left side or one right side, copper 1 atom right side also 1 atom, sulfur this side 1 atom, right side 1 atom, oxygen 4 this side. So it is already balanced. In third equation, chemical equation, calcium 1 atom at the reactant side, 1 atom at the product side, zinc 1 atom at the reactant side, zinc 1 atom at the product side, sulfur 1 atom at the reactant side, this is 1, sulfur 1 atom at the product side, oxygen 4 atom at the reactant side, 4 atom at the product side. So this is already balanced. So my dear students, all of you have understood the definition of chemical reaction and types of chemical reaction. And out of the types of chemical reaction, I elaborate two types of chemical reaction. First combination reaction, already told and rubbed from the board, and second substitution reaction. So I understand, I hope that you all have understood the two type of chemical reaction. First, addition reaction, synthesis reaction, same, and combination reaction, same, and second, substitution reaction. If any problems comes in the way of understanding these two types of chemical reaction, quickly, without hesitations, you will comment down in comment sections. I will make you understand again. My dear students, if you understand, so like and comment. And after these two type of chemical reactions, I will explain next type of chemical reaction in next class. So I hope you all will see the next class. Thank you very much and have good day and take care of your life from this word. Again I say thank you very much.